Hi all, welcome to Gyantipam. So today in this session, as per one of the query, I'm presenting this video, how to switch between the Google tools or how to switch between Jamboard to other tools. In the laptop, it is very easy to switch between this one because in laptops we can store all those, we can open all these facilities in different tabs and all. It is very simple, and especially for math teachers, it is very useful. Jamboard. I've already uploaded some video tutorial about that Jamboard. So today I'll show you how to switch from Jamboard to other Google tools like Google Meet or Classroom. Okay, so let's get started. So for that, sign in your G Suite account first. Then in the same way, from the 9 dots you can make use of all the tools, and you can customize also accordingly. You can drag and drop like this the tools, and click on Jamboard, and you can see that Jamboard's already created here. If it is not there, you can click on plus. You can also rename the Jamboard if it is not saved with a new name. Later on also you can give a name for that. So these are the two Jamboards I have already created, so you can rename it. After that, if you want to add a fresh Jamboard to share with your children for online session, click on plus, and you'll be able to get Jamboard here. So as per your requirements, you can change the background and all. This is a pen available for writing and all. You can make use of this pen option for writing and all. And in addition to that, eraser option is there, selection option is there. These are all the things I have already explained in the last video. Then you can also use sticky note by typing your sessions content, or which are the keywords related to your topics, or which is the message you want to convey. Like that way, it is very easy to type sticky notes. Like in the form of sticky notes, you can type here and place it on your Jamboard. Then after typing that, you can click on save. That then the sticky note will be displayed on your Jamboard like this. Okay. Then you can resize or place your Jamboard wherever it's required. Like this you can do. And in addition to that, you can make use of the selection tool to select this one. Eraser tool is there. In addition to that, you can click on this image search, or to select a file from directly. You can search from Google itself. If you're discussing about some types of number series and all, you can type the topic here and click on search for Googling, and from the result you can choose the required one which is suitable for your topic. You can select that one and click on select. Then that will be displayed on your Jamboard. This is very useful option for teachers. Additional notes and all for showing the details and all. There is no need to draw like this and prepare the things like that. You can directly download from the net itself. So by using highlight tool, the last tool, you can explain. While explaining, you can make use of this highlight tool. These are the things about Jamboard operation. You can also zoom. Have you seen this zoom button? In addition to that, you can add any number of slides to your Jamboard. Okay, then next is share. If you're having only few number of participants, you can type the mail ID, or you can click on that get link option. Then you can share with your students. That will be easy for that. Then you can switch between that Google account, between the tabs. It is very easy. Then you can click on this 9 dots, and you can click on different tools to access. Okay. You can also make use of this backward and forward button will be there. Backward button to switch between this one. Then you can see this window. From these 9 dots you can use any of the Google tools required. Okay, so by using two methods you can switch between the Google tools for your online session. You can also use Google Slides for your class with the help of presentation. If you already prepared presentation using this Google Slides, you can make use of that. With the help of that presentation you can take your online session. So after opening that one, you can see that share button is there. Just like Jamboard, you can share and type your students mail ID, or you can copy and share these links to your students mail. Then it will be able to see. Okay, so likewise you can make use of all sorts of Google tools make it for more effective and interactive session. So that's it about it. So if it is useful, if you found this session is very useful, you share this video to your friend circle, as well as don't forget to press like button, and your comments, valuable comments, also subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching.